everyone, I'm Ongezwa Ntsepe and welcome back to my YouTube channel called Business and All. In this channel, we discuss everything that has to do with the business, the successes, the failures, and everything in between. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the INUKA beard combo. So let's get into it. The INUKA beard combo is made of two products, which is the coffee infused hair growth oil and the organic Mirracle oil. And this is what they look like. So this is the coffee infused hair growth oil, and then this is the organic Mirracle oil. The organic Mirracle oil, now this oil helps to just helps with dry skin, with acne, with eczema, burns, stuff like that. So you can spray this on your face, and then you just massage it in on your face using your fingertips, and then it's going to help you with your dry skin if you're someone who has dry skin, or if you're someone who has a rash or acne in this area. And then the hair growth oil, which looks like this is going to help you with the hair growth. So you can use this by spraying it on your fingertips, and then you massage it into the length of your hair, and you can also then massage it there to your scalp to just stimulate hair growth. And then for these products, they come together, we call it the beard combo. And I'm not going to mention prices because, as I've mentioned before, that INUKA does have recommended prices that distributors do use to charge for the products, but we do also have space to increase the prices. So that's why I'm not mentioning any prices, because I don't want you to be fighting with your distributor. So these products, if you're going to use, especially this product during the day, like if you're going to be in direct contact with the sunlight, I would advise not to apply the products and only apply them in the evening or at night when you know you are not going to be in direct contact with the sunlight. It is also very important to remember that each person reacts differently to a product. So what works for the other person may not work for you, and how fast or how slow the other person received the results on the product may not be the same for you as well. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the video, do the most, and remember, never say no to a crown.